Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hello again from Full Circle Ozarks. We got another project that we're started. We're doing a little bit of clearing, and we've already started part of the process, but we got some logs that had fell down in the back of this hollow that we need to try to get out. It's pretty steep. This don't show it real well, but what I'm hoping we can do is back down close enough. It has a real steep drop off here. We're going to back down, hook a chain to some of these tops and get them pulled out. So we're going to be working on that. Okay, this is attempt number 2. The chain came unhooked. We'll try it again now. Well, I didn't have any luck with the SUV, so we're going to try the skid steer. We'll drive down here, swing it around, and get hooked onto those, and we'll get those out. We'll see how it works out. Get swung around here, and I'll back up down in there. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, here goes log number 2. Let's see how it goes. Seems to be working pretty good. If that didn't have almost a vertical drop off, I could drive right down there and grab these with the grab. Okay, here we go, log number 3. Let's see how it goes. Okay, here goes the bigger one here. We'll see how that's going to go. Okay, so here goes the bigger one again now. The last one I thought was the bigger one. I can tell this one's behind me. this tree that's kind of problematic. I think we better use a chain. Can't get close enough. Okay, folks, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. We're going to be moving a little bit of brush. So, I'll let you ride with me here in the cab of the track loader, or skid steer, I should say. Hopefully it's going to give you a bird's eye view. Take this load over where we're going to be storing it for firewood. You can see the pile right here in front of me. This is where we got some logs that's going to be put on the sawmill at some point. Here's where we're putting the logs to be processed into firewood. That bird's eye view is helpful. Kind of gives you an idea of what a skid steer operator works with on a day-to-day basis. Get turned around here, head back down, got another load. This branch right here is in the way. Just let me see if I can get it pushed out of the way for right now. Hanging out there, and it was 30 degrees. what we're going to try to do. This brush pile here, I need to move it a few feet the other direction to give me more room to burn. So we're gonna see if we can just push this over. Hopefully we can just ease part of this brush over. Otherwise I'll probably move it a piece at a time. But now you're probably asking, what are you doing? Well, let me try to explain. We normally have a wind coming in. See the bucket up there, that's the direction that the incoming wind comes in, and as we get ready to burn this, we want to try to have a more of a controlled burn. So I'm going to build up a little bit of a berm there right in front of the brush pile, but more importantly to me is it also gives me a pile of dirt that I have quick access to, so if I need to start covering some coals up, I can do that. So that's what we're doing. Results look like once we get done. I want to dig out just a little bit more. Welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. What a beautiful day. I just wanted to take a moment to show you the cleanup that we've done yesterday. I showed you while I was on the Bobcat skid loader, getting some brush cleaned up and all. So I'm going to swing the camera around and show you what we got done. Okay, I'm just going to walk down here. Again, the camera doesn't do this justice here, but this is where we were dragging some of the wood out. This is treetops from the logging. You can see some of these stumps here. We're going to go ahead and get those taken out. We had them cut a little bit high, so when we get ready to take them out with the track loader, they're easier to push over. But what we ended up doing when the logger came in, when he took these, there was a lot of I call it collateral damage from logging, and this is pretty steep down in here, but we had several of the treetops that made it all the way down here, and they was crossing the bottom of this hollow here. So I spent some time dragging some of this stuff here out. We just didn't want that cluttered up. And so anyway, we got a lot of this here cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. And then after that, we focused on another area. We'll go back to the top again. We had got a whole lot done yesterday, but we'll walk back to the top here. If you will remember, right out in this area here, there was a big pile of brush that we was able to get out. We got that out, and what we're doing now is we're going to be staging a couple of areas to burn in so we can get rid of some of this brush. So this is some of the stuff that we brought out. So anyway, we're going to continue working on this project. I want to spend a little bit of time getting this brush pile ready to burn, and we're hoping to burn here in the next day or so, weather permitting. We got some rain coming in, but we'd like to get this area here further cleaned up. You can still see a lot of tops that are down from logging. So we just have a lot of cleanup that we want to do. And this is going to be a work in progress. It's going to last us for a while, but there's a lot of tops over there, a lot of tops right up here still. But so anyway, we'll get that cleaned up. But this area here is what we got pulled out from the bottom of the hill that we want to get burned up. This is there might be a little bit of firewood in this one here, but otherwise all this is going to be ashes here in a few days. So anyway, take care and God bless, and we'll give you another update soon.